sun gave one big sleepy yawn, stretched its rays, and then was gone. Down behind the hills to rest, like a bird inside its nest. Good night, sun, you worked all day, warming all our games and play. The moon will take your place tonight, until the morning light. Yawn, little sun, sleep tight. We'll see you in